welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today I'm gonna be doing a little living room tour for you guys, and I have a couple new things I want to add to it to make it a little bit more cozy. If you guys didn't notice, I took down my empty house tour, and I always get questions about it because people want like paint details and like all that stuff, and that was what that video was supposed to be for, is like just giving you guys inspo and details, so if you want to use it for your own house. But it just made me so uncomfortable having everything in my house like out there for the world to see. It just, there are crazy people out there. Like I just really learned that this year. So I took it down, but I never shared like a final update. It's not even final, like let's be real. But I never did like any like major updates on where I'm at with my decorating process and all that stuff. So I thought I would do a little mini tour and kind of share some updates of what I'm still planning to add. I have some new winter clothes to share with you guys later. And yeah, I just thought we'd do a little home vlog today. So I've told you guys before, but a lot of our furniture is custom except for our castlery couch, which I shared with you guys when we first moved in, and we are still loving it. It is so comfortable. The only thing that I will say is that it does not clean very well at all. Like stains, definitely, I don't know, they're just hard to get out. We did do the fabric protector spray, and that did help a lot as far as liquids go. So we've spilled stuff on this and it rolls off, and I haven't had to reapply it yet, and it's been about a year. However, as far as like my kids getting like chocolate or like any food or anything on it, yeah, that's the only thing that I just have had to live with certain like little stains. But it really honestly doesn't bother me that much. I literally cannot be that picky when it comes to my furniture because kids will be kids, and also adults sometimes. Me and Omar spill stuff too. So anyways, one thing that I kind of regret is getting a coffee table this big. Whenever I was designing the space, it was on paper, and I designed the coffee table to be like the perfect size to fit, and you could also reach from these chairs as well. But it wound up just being the biggest coffee table I've ever seen in my life, and it's basically just a stage for my kids. Like they literally get up there and dance and leave their footprints all over the glass. That's another thing that I get a lot of questions about, is the glass was something we added on top later by a glass company. You can get custom glass for your tables from any glass company that does like shower glass and things like that. So that's what we did. So I've actually really liked that because it makes it so easy to clean. I had actually also gotten it for this little table, but it was starting to slide around, and I was really worried about my kids like knocking the glass off. So we just kept that off, and that's one thing that I don't know if one day, maybe later down the line, I might replace this coffee table with something like a little bit smaller. This was the rug in my dining room at my old house, and we just placed it here when we moved, and thankfully it actually matches really well. But the fact that it's underneath this 1,000-pound table, it's not going anywhere, you guys. I don't know what to do about that. The other thing is it's too small, so I did try to order a rug that was the right size, but it didn't work out. I don't know, I haven't been in that much of a hurry to change the rug here because it matches. It's too small, but you know, things are always a work in progress. I also designed these two shelves. I really wanted the vibe of Restoration Hardware. They always have these beautiful bookcases next to the fireplace, and they do mirrors on top of each of the bookcases. I was just at Restoration Hardware this past weekend, and something that they always do above their bookcases is they add this big giant book, and then they do a pot on top similar to like this type of pot. So I need to find a book to go on either side that's big enough. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a little DIY project and just make something that looks kind of like a book, because once it's up there you won't even really notice. So that is the plan. A lot of people are like, your house is so sterile, it's too white, like it's so plain. And you guys, it's because like I have not styled anything. We literally moved in, we got the main furniture pieces that we needed, and that was that. Like I just haven't had the chance with starting my brand this year to really focus on styling anything or making everything feel really homey and cozy. I've done my best. As far as the TV, we do have a frame TV. It's not the best TV in the whole entire world, but we have Franklin on right now. I'm trying to figure out how to show you guys the art. There we go. So this is like the artwork setting that you can place on there to make it just look like a piece of art instead of a TV. But to me, it has this like purple undertone, and I can tell it's not like real. I don't know. It doesn't look as real of a painting calming as it does to me whenever I see it on other people's TVs. So I don't know if you guys know any tips for that. There is like color settings in there, so I put it to the warmest that it can be and it still looks blue. But anyways, that is what it looks like with the art on the TV. I finally decided to add some color and some texture and warmth to the couch, so I got a bunch of pillowcases and pillows to add. I got these chocolate, it's more like an espresso color in person. These are velvet. They're the same pillows I have on my bed, but the ones I have on my bed are like a charcoal gray. This is more of an espresso brown. So I have some of those to add like the deeper tones. I got these on Amazon. This is like I'm not sure what kind of material this is. It's not linen, but it kind of reminds me of like a cotton or a linen with this raw edge. And then to add a little bit of texture, I found these striped ones that have like a beige and cream stripe design. I love those. We'll see. I'm thinking about adding those to these chairs just to add a little bit more dimension over there. Let's go ahead and put all of this together. I also wanted to give a tip for making your pillows look really like full and luxurious. When you're buying your inserts for the pillowcases, buy them at 2 inches bigger than the actual pillowcase. That way it gives that really nice full look. That's something that I learned from one of the interior designers that I follow online, and it really just makes the biggest difference. Also, I get down alternative pillows, and that allows you to create that pillow chop and not like that square look, because that just makes it look more luxurious as well. I thought I would show you guys some of the things that I've used to style the space, but as far as the coffee table goes, there's not really anything that I can style this with right now because my kids are toddlers right now and there's just no way that I can style anything here. Other than that, they just use this as a stage. Okay, wanted to show you guys my bookcases, and I just tried to style these very minimal and simple, very restoration hardware vibe. But one of the ideas that I thought I could give you guys is for these books, they're actually just like thrift store books that you can get for cheap anywhere, and then they're covered with like a linen fabric. One of my friends who was helping me decorate for, I think it was like my second Amazon The Drop shoot, we did these bookcases with books as like the backdrop, and she made these for me. And I was like, oh my god, can I like pay you to keep those, because I want to decorate my new house with these, and they turned out perfect. And that would be very, very easy to do. It just takes time. So I was really happy that she did them for me. I have a bunch of Islamic decor as well. This is from Rasm, which I decorated during Ramadan, but I just kept some of the pieces out because they're really for all year round, and they're just so my style, like very, I don't know, earthy. I just loved these. This is another one of those Islamic pieces from Rasm as well that has like Arabic writing. So gorgeous. I had 2 of these in the bookcase at my old house next to my fireplace. I just literally repurposed a lot of my old decor. Not all of my books are fake. I have some photo albums here as well, and it just makes it like a really nice place to store all my memories. And I really wish I could share all these big pictures with you still, but I feel like I made the right decision taking my kids offline. It's just been, I don't know, it's just been sad not being able to share like happy memories with you guys, because y'all feel like my best friends, honestly, because I feel like I've been sharing my life for so long. We just did a fall photo shoot. I'm wearing my Ella dress, and we did some cute like blurred pictures of the kids running around so I could post them on socials, but I think they turned out so cute. I have my wedding album. I'm so glad I printed this actually. I need to print the kids' first years. I need to get that done for real. One styling tip with restoration hardware that I've noticed is everything is very symmetrical. So I really just tried to make things as symmetrical in the bookcases as much as possible without it being like too matchy-matchy. But yeah, to be honest, this little side table is typically empty because of the kids, but I went ahead and just styled it a little bit to share with you guys, but I'll link all these pieces down below. Another one of my favorite details about our home is the lighting. That's one thing that Omar and I knew we wanted to do when we were building the house, is add accent lighting like the LED strip lights, because it really just brings the vibes and just makes your home feel so cozy, especially at night. Basically what you have to do is during the building process, you have to create little niches where you want the LED strip lights to go so that they're hidden. So we did it behind the fireplace, we did it like above the shower, we did it underneath some of our vanities, like in the bathrooms. We did it several places, but I love like at night whenever we turn all the lights down and then we just have these warm LED lights on. It's just so cozy and such a vibe. And then we did have to pick the warmth of the LEDs. I really went back and and forth on different tones of light, but I wound up going with the warmest one. I don't know if that helps you guys at all, but basically it feels like it would be orange, but it isn't orange. Like, it looks very cozy at night. It's more like a candlelight ambiance. Fun fact, when I was little, I used to think that I was actually gonna go to jail if I took these off of my pillows or whatever this tag was on. But here is the final result, and I feel like it added a little bit more warmth and color to the space. I added these textured pillows to the chairs. It needed more back support over here anyways, so this was perfect. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, here's a farther shot so you guys can see. I really think that the pillows really just brought the space together, honestly. It just felt really empty without them. So I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys noticed my little top that I was wearing, but I got a package in from Naked Fashion and I got some really good pieces this time. They gave me another discount code. It's LENAYT, and that gets you 10% off additional of the sale they're already having right now. So it is such a steep discount, and their stuff, you guys, if you like anything, I'm telling you, you have to grab it like as soon as possible because their stuff sells out so fast. So I'm gonna share with you guys. Hopefully everything's in stock. I'll have everything linked below along with the discount code. So let me share. It's hard to show black details on camera sometimes, so I turned up the brightness a lot so you could see, but I'm pretty sure this is a dupe for one of those higher end brands, and it is so adorable. It's got these little bow ties, it's got bows on the sleeves, it really cinches you in. I love it with some wide leg pants or even a skirt. It is open in the middle right there, so it's kind of like more of a cardigan. So I just paired it with a black undershirt, and it's just a super cute top. I love it. I just paired it with some trousers also from Naked Fashion. I love the fit of these, and the black and white, especially black on top and white on the bottom, is very trending right now, so I'm loving this look. Okay, obsessed with this cardigan. I'm trying to show like the true color. There it is. That is like the true color right there. So let me share it with you guys in the mirror because it's so hard for me to show you guys the color. Super cute paired with some dark wash denim. I think it would even be cuter if my jeans were a little bit darker, but I love how it cinches at the waist. I love the buttons. It is just the cutest thing ever, and just very trendy this season with the color. Okay, not gonna lie, you guys, I'm a little bit blown away by this one. I am obsessed. It's this mohair knit set with the skirt. Very modest, but so flattering. Look at the fit. So cute. I will say that the mohair does shed a little bit, so be warned about that, but it is very cute and very soft, and I don't find it itchy at all. I paired it with this organic shaped little belt, also from Naked Fashion. That is stunning. I'm obsessed with this belt. As you can see, there's a v-neck, but I just kind of matched the belt to the black bodysuit I was wearing. I think it's really cute. I think this look could also look cute with boots, but I paired it with some ballet flats because I am a ballet flat girly. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed with this one. It is so chic. Here's the same top that I was wearing earlier, just in the white, and I paired it with some dark wash denim, my little Uggs, and my pull-in bag. I just think this is a really cute but casual put together look for this time of year, and honestly, if you switched out the Uggs, you could do this literally all year round. It is so cute. Just paired a white long sleeve undershirt underneath this. This coat is the outfit. I feel like I've been missing this coat in my closet for several years. I do have a cream coat, but it is a little bit too small on me, and I wanted like that oversized maxi length. It's more like a midi length, but it's a longer coat, and the one that I had was just a little bit shorter, but I think this length is so elegant. I love the buttons, I love the pockets, the whole silhouette of the coat is perfect. So I'll need to like cut the thing in the back, but I'm keeping this one for sure. Paired it with some knee-high boots, but it really doesn't matter what I'm wearing underneath because, like I said, this just makes the outfit so pretty. I'll have all my favorite Naked Fashion pieces linked down below along with my discount code, and thank you so much to Naked Fashion for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Look who officially arrived. Been waiting for you, Mr. UPS man. But I'm so excited. It means Ella officially arrived. But basically that just means that our work is cut out for us for the next couple days. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna go live after we launch Ella, but we are about to get to work, and I'm so, you guys, it's insane to me that this is happening. I just cannot believe it. I am home from picking up Elena from school. I'm about to start on dinner. I'm actually gonna make burgers tonight because I just needed something easy. It's my day to cook, and I also invited my mom and dad. Amanda and Lauren are out of town, and I didn't want my parents to eat by themselves. So anyways, they're gonna come over for burgers. But I found that burgers are very easy to do, so we're gonna do that in a sec. Let me show you guys Elena's little craft that she's doing right now, which is so cute and so easy. I've been really into doing crafts with her because she's 4 now and she's just so much fun and she's able to like do crafts so easily. And Jojo, he's talking so much. What you saying, boy? Okay, let me show you the craft. Right now we're doing pipe cleaner bracelets. These so beautiful, mashallah. You did so good. But the pipe cleaner makes it just like easier for them to put on a bracelet rather than the string. Okay, I just have to show you guys this. Jojo, do you love mommy?
No.
Do you love Papa?
No.
Do you love Lele?
No.
Do you love Lainey?
No.
Do you love Sido?
No.
Do you love anyone?
No.
So I have a funny story because oh, Jojo's not letting me put him down. I have a funny story because I'm a crazy mom. You guys know me. The other day Jojo was eating and I thought he might have been choking. I don't know, okay? So I was looking at him and his face was like, my first thing that I blurted out of my mouth is, "Are you breathing?" He goes, "No." I don't know if that's funny to you guys, but I literally died. Okay, Omar should be home soon to grill these. So I'm basically just gonna make the meat patties. And as far as I know, you really only need salt and pepper for burgers. But I did add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce into the patties as well. And then Omar said the way he likes to make the burgers is he likes to season them right before they go on the grill. So I'm not putting anything else in them except for the Worcestershire sauce.
Can I make it?
You wanna make that?
What is it?
It's meat. This is raw meat. I mean, you can, sure. You have to be very careful because we have to wash our hand. This is very, very dirty. So when your hands touch it, you have to immediately wash your hands afterward, okay? Can you do that?
Oh, okay.
Okay, come here. Let's wash your hands first, then we can get started.
Okay, let's wash right here.
So you're gonna just make little balls like that, okay? Here, I'm gonna give you the meat, and you hold it, and you make it into little balls, okay? Like this. See how you can make it into a ball like this?
Like this?
Let me make it a little smaller for you.
Okay, do it here.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, you ready for the next one? This is the last one I need you to help me with, okay?
And then we'll eat it.
And then we have to cook it, and then we're gonna eat it. These 2 little small ones are for you and Jojo, okay? Thank you for helping me. You really did such a good job.
Then put any one you want.
I do. Just let me finish cutting the tomato and the onion, and then I'll be ready to play, okay? Jojo, his activity is digging through the ice maker. It's actually not sanitary, and I have given up. It's just a toy box for him. So basically, we use the ice from the fridge, and Jojo plays with the ice in the ice maker until he gets older, and then maybe we can use it. What is it, baby? Hold on 1 minute, okay? This, you guys, is why I don't have anything in my living room. Oh. We have moved on to the next craft, which is putting jewels on printable bunnies. So cute. Dinner is served. Thank you for grilling.
My pleasure.
And Jojo's hungry. And the fries are done. Okay, we are about to eat dinner and get the kids ready for bed and all that good stuff. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm super excited to fill you guys in on our lunch with Ella in our next video, inshallah. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Okay,
Yum,
need
yum.
Elena, you love it? I had to show you guys my final result with the burger. And Omar did forget to put any seasoning on it.
Sorry.
I haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, cut that part out, please.
But at least I put the Worcestershire sauce.
Yum.
Yum. And Elena loves it, so that's all that matters.
There you go.